the 2013 Volkswagen Passat. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined five-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All of the premium features expected of a Volkswagen are offered, including delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Volkswagen also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.